What's up, mga laagan? So, nanapod tayo another food vlog. And this time, nang laag ta sa Archichicks. Archichicks is a new restaurant here in Tagum City. And they are located at Purok 3, Ratan, Apocon. And they're just a few meters away from TMC. Bago niya siya na restaurant pero daghan na kaayog nagakaon kay lamian ng ilahang pagkaon. So we went there and had our dinner. So I was with Attorney Karen, and while waiting for our food, nag-pictorial sa ang mga people. So mo ni ilahang mga gina-offer dito. They have native lechon manok. They also have native barbecue. So ilahang barbecue dili siya in kadtong naanda nato nga sweet type of barbecue. Naa siya dito sa kanang savory side. Naa siya herbs and lami ilahang meat. Tender kayo ilang barbecue, dili siya gahi. Ang ilang tinola, pag magsuroy mo, don't forget to order their tinola. Lami gyud siya. Very hearty. As well as their sisig. So mo gunang amo ang balik-balikan dito. And aside from that, barato ang ilahang mga foods, ang ilahang presyo swak sa bulsa. And lamian po dagko ilahang serving. And mao ni ilahang menu, I already included it on this video para makita po ninyo. Ug mao lang to. Thank you for watching. Mga laagan, asa na po tamang laag next time?